Samer from Yalla Arabee team. I'm going today to teach you something so special. So I hope you're having good holiday because it's Saturday today. And yeah, we always work on the videos, especially on like weekend, because all the week we're giving classes. So just to remind you, I'm not just the only teacher in Yalla Arabee. There is other like 9-10 teachers. If you didn't like me, you can take classes with other teachers, of course. We have all the options for you. But so today we're gonna teach you how could you use now. Now it's not just for negation, like for the verbs. It's you have too many. It has too many uses, and something it takes really maybe 1.5 years just to put notes for to know what is ma means. It makes all the learners confused. So today it's gonna be this videos like 3-4 parts maybe. This is gonna be the first one. When could we use ma? Usually, because you know ma, we could use it just for negation. Ana بدي, ana ma بدي. I want, I don't want. But there is other uses for ma. So firstly, the first one, you use ma, for example, صار لك من الصبح عم تشتغل. You have been from morning working. So, and then you say ما تعبت, you didn't get tired. ما جعت, you didn't get hungry. So you use this one. Sometimes you use it. Why he used ma here? What was the occasion of it? So you use it when you asking someone, you know, you didn't do something. سؤال, like it's negation as well. It's not something new for it. And the second one is ما plus هلق. ما هلق, ما هلق together when you hear it. It's وقت قصير, short time. مثلا يلا let's drink coffee. ما هلق شربت قهوة. You just drank coffee. ما هلق شربت قهوة. You just drink coffee. You see? You just drink coffee. ما هلق حكينا. We just talk. I told you to don't put the dish here on the table, and you put it after 5 minutes. ما هلق حكينا. We just talk about it. ما هلق فقنا. We woke up and then you wanted to sleep again after 1 hour, and then I said ما هلق فقنا. We just woke up. You wanted to sleep again. ما هلق فقنا. تمام? There is other uses. We're gonna see it now. هلا we have للتعجب. للتعجب. مثلا you hear too much. ما أحلى الحياة بلا مرض. How beautiful the life without sickness. ما أحلى الحياة بلا مرض. يعني مثل قد إيه or شو. Sometimes you hear شو حلوة الحياة بلا مرض. قد إيه how beautiful the life without sickness. ما أحلى الحياة بلا مرض. ما أصعب الحياة بلا رفقة. How hard the life is without friends. ما أسهل العامية مقارنة بالفصحى. How easy the عامية, the dialect is compared to the فصحى. فصحى is the formal Arabic. تمام? So this is 3 of them. They are around 10 uses of ma. So it was the first part for today. We're gonna talk about the second one next session. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you like the session, of course. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Waiting for you for the other session. Bye bye. يومكم حلو.